So today I'm going to try to start some parsley plants with this really small container. But I'm going to be growing these Italian parsley plant leaf. And I don't want to grow a whole bunch like, a giant tray. So that's why I'm trying something small like this. And because the holes are kind of big, I don't want the seeds to fall through. So I'm going to use this silicone mat. It's basically the size of a Spam musubi. So I'm just going to kind of sprinkle it on there. It's probably a quarter teaspoon or something. It's just more cost effective to buy it from Amazon in bigger amounts. There's 1,500 seeds in here. That's like a lot if you just saw what I used. But when you go to the store, it's normally like 150 seeds or something for going on $3 now. And I think this whole packet was maybe $4 or $5. Miss the seeds.